Key steps to success in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has so many different possibilities for what you can use, the things you can do, and how you can apply it to your own personal business. It is rare to find somebody that will market just like you, so why not take advantage of that and create a marketing plan that works for only you? This video can help you. As a time-saving tip for affiliates who are dealing with many emails with instructions that need to be addressed, don't waste time continuing to go back to the emails to reread the message. However, emails are time-consuming. Write down your tasks as you open your emails instead of going back to check them constantly. Referring to a single document will increase productivity. Make sure your links go where your readers expect them to. This may seem obvious, but some affiliates will list links under the incorrect heading. Always test the links yourself, several times. Readers want to click the link and be taken to the product in question. They are much less likely to buy if they have to hunt around for the product you are talking about. To succeed at affiliate marketing, you should always try out any product you are recommending first. This will help you to write an honest recommendation rather than a sales pitch that sounds phony. It also gives you an idea of what steps your customers will go through, and you can offer tips to make sure they complete the transaction. You must be willing to invest as much time and effort as possible if you are going to be successful with affiliate marketing. Look into training materials that are not overprices. Many times they will have the same information in them as the high-priced ones do. Save yourself a couple dollars and gain the same amount of knowledge. A good affiliate marketing company will offer programs that can tell you which type of advertising works well in many different situations. They will also supply you with different advertising methods. The program you join should be ready to help you generate more sales because your success reflects directly on them. Isn't creating your own personal affiliate marketing plan exciting? As you have seen in this video, there are a lot of ways this can be done and no two plans or programs will yield the same results. There are also lots of customizable options that can work with your business and budget. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.